Seniya Kheer, also known as Semiya Payasam or Seviyaan Kheer, is a beloved traditional Indian dessert. It's a sweet, creamy dish made with vermicelli milk, sugar, and flavored with cardamom and nuts. Here's a breakdown of what it is and some key aspects. Key characteristics: vermicelli, Semiya/Seviyaan. This is the base of the dish. It's a type of thin pasta, and it's typically roasted in ghee before being added to the milk. Milk. Whole milk is often used for a rich, creamy texture. Sugar sweetens the dish. The amount can be adjusted to taste. Sometimes jaggery is used instead of sugar. Flavorings. Cardamom is a staple, providing a warm, aromatic flavor. Saffron is also sometimes added for color and fragrance. Nuts and dried fruits. Cashews and raisins are commonly added for texture and flavor. Almonds and pistachios are also used. Ghee, used to roast the vermicelli and nuts, adding richness. Regional variations. While the basic ingredients remain similar, regional variations exist. Some regions might use coconut milk, while others might add different spices or nuts. Occasions. Seniya Kheer is often prepared for festivals, celebrations, and special occasions. It's also a popular comfort food. General preparation. The general process involves roasting the vermicelli in ghee, boiling it in milk with sugar and flavorings, and then garnishing it with fried nuts and raisins. I hope this information is helpful. Seniya Kheer, also known as vermicelli kheer or payasam, is a traditional Indian sweet dish with several potential benefits stemming from its ingredients. Here's a breakdown. Key ingredients and their benefits. Vermicelli semiya, often made from wheat semolina. It provides carbohydrates for energy. It can be a source of dietary fiber, which aids digestion and promotes gut health. Depending on the type of vermicelli used, whole wheat, it can provide some protein. Milk, a rich source of calcium essential for strong bones and teeth, provides protein, which is crucial for muscle building and repair. Contains vitamins and minerals like vitamin D and B vitamins. Sugar or other sweeteners, provides energy, but should be consumed in moderation. Nuts and dried fruits, e.g. almonds, cashews, raisins, offer healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, provide antioxidants, add fiber. Cardamom and other spices. Cardamom, a common spice in kheer, has digestive benefits and adds flavor. Other spices can contain antioxidant properties. Overall potential benefits. Energy source. The carbohydrates in vermicelli and sugar provide a quick energy boost. Nutrient intake. Milk, nuts, and dried fruits contribute essential nutrients like calcium, protein, and vitamins. Improved digestion. The fiber content in vermicelli and dried fruits can aid digestion. Source of antioxidants. Nuts and spices provide antioxidants which help protect the body from cell damage.